असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is BVKR. In this session, we will discuss about Class 7, Chapter 2, Exercise 6, Question number 2. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Whatever the information is given in the question, we have to write now. The solution: length of rectangle. L is equals to 6.2 centimeters. So write the breadth of rectangle. Then B is equals to 4 centimeters. So he is asking us to find the area. So you know the area of the rectangle is A is equals to length into breadth. So instead of length we use 6.2 centimeters and instead of B we just take 4 centimeters. So substitute these two values in this formula to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, just substitute that L value 6.2 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters. So this is multiplication of decimal number and whole number. You just multiply 6.2 into 4. Yeah, 4 2s are 8 and 4 6 are 24. So we already discussed about how to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. So to multiply a decimal number by a whole number, we just ignore the decimal and do the multiplication of whole number, as usual multiplication. Then after we just show the decimal places in multiplicand and multiplier. How many decimal places are there in these two terms? Only one. So we just maintain one decimal from the, so we put the decimal point from the right, only one digit. Now the area is, required area is 24.8 centimeter into centimeter square. We know already the units of area is the square units. Okay, this is the way finding the area of rectangle. Okay, after completion of the question number 2, we will just go for the question number 4. In this question, so we are going to be give the solution for a motorbike covers a distance of 62.5 kilometers. So a motorbike covers distance, the distance covered for consuming 1 liter of petrol. So what is the first step? How to write? Distance covered for 1 liter of petrol is 62.5 kilometers. Next, how much distance does it cover for 10 liters of petrol? Right. You write the first step is distance covered for 1 liter of petrol. Is equals to 62.5 kilometers. How much distance does it cover for 10 liters of petrol? For 1 liter, it covers 62.5 kilometers. Therefore, distance cover for 10 liters of petrol is equals to How to find the distance covered for 10 liters of petrol? So 1 liter 62.5 kilometers, you know. So to find the distance covered for 10 liters of petrol, what we do that multiplication 62.5 into 10. Now we know how to multiply decimal number by 10. So ending with zeros, numbers like 10, 100 and 1000. So when we multiply a decimal number by this type of numbers 10, 100 and 1000, the decimal point moves to the right as many zeros in the multiplier. Now it is a 10, so the decimal point moves one digit to the right. So that will be gives 625 kilometers. So if that motorbike covers a distance of 62.5 kilometers by consuming 1 liter of petrol, for 10 liters it will cover 625 kilometers. Okay, after completion of that question number 4, we just go for the question number 7 in the same exercise. It is word problem on division of decimal numbers. Okay, we'll go into the question. A side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters in length. What is the side of a regular polygon is 3.5 centimeters. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeters. So together all sides of length is 17.5 centimeters. How many sides does the polygon have? So we have to find the number of sides consist of the polygon, right? To find the number of sides of the polygon, we just write whatever the information in the given question. Side of each length of the polygon is equals to 3.5 centimeters. Total length of all sides. So total length of each side of the polygon, right? ఇక్కడ రాసుకుంటాం బాగుంటుంది. Length of each side of the polygon is 3.5 centimeters. The total length of all sides is equals to 17.5 centimeters. What is the total length? It refers. The total length refers the perimeter. Yeah, okay. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeters. Now our question is number of sides. Number of sides. How do we get the number of sides? Total length of sides is 17.5 centimeters. To find the number of sides in the polygon, we have to divide total length by length of each side. The total length is 17.5 divided by 3.5. 17.5 divided by 3.5. How to divide a decimal by another decimal? You just convert this decimal into decimal fraction. So when 17.5 is converted into decimal fraction, remove the decimal and write the number as a numerator, and the denominator is 1 followed by number of zeros. As many decimals are there in the decimal number. So here only was one decimal, so 1 followed by 1 0. So 175 by 10 divided by, so remove the decimal, that is 35, and this is also 10. Okay, now it is fraction dividing. So we don't have a way to divide a fraction by a fraction. So that 175 by 10 into, write the reciprocal of 75 by 10, that will be 10 by 35. Okay, yeah, and 10 ones, and 5 sevens, and 5 threes are 15. Okay, 15, 25, 5 5s are 25, 7 ones, 7 5s, that is equals to 5 sides. So the number of sides in the given polygon is 5.